Hello everyone, if you're new here, I'm Chandrika, and if you're my lovely subscriber, thank you so much for watching me again. Today I'm doing this most requested video, which is to show my makeup collection. Yes, I've got so many requests from my subscribers to show my makeup collection, and yeah, here I'm doing it. So I don't have that fancy or huge collection. I have a limited and little stuff, so let me share it with you. So before that, if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, share and comment on your thoughts. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. By the way, this is my Instagram ID. I'll upload all the pictures and my makeup looks on my Instagram. You can check it. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So this is going to be a big video, so don't skip any part, watch it till end if you want to know about my collection. So yeah, if you want to know how I created this beautiful gorgeous makeup look, the link is in iCards and description. Go check it out. And this is a brown smoky eyes with bold lips makeup look. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. This is my skincare and makeup collection. Let me start with my eye makeup. Okay, these are all my eye makeup stuff. So this is my Miss Gold eyeshadow palette. So this is my first eyeshadow palette. It has 60 colors in it and the pigmentation is like medium, but yeah, it has all matte shades, all glossy shades, all shimmers and all. It is a nice one, but the pigmentation is like medium. So next, this is my Huda Beauty palette. Yes, it has mirror in it. I use this mirror to do my makeup. So I've created all my makeup looks using this mirror, and it has one glitter shade and some some shimmers and mattes in it. It is a nice palette and the pigmentation is awesome. And this is my Miss Gold eyeshadow palette. I broke it, so I've lost so many beautiful colors. It is completely shimmer palette, and I use this black shade to define my eyebrows, so that's why my eyebrow brush is here. And yeah, if you want to define your eyebrows, you have to use this much thin eyebrow brush. Yes, I use this palette for defining my eyebrows, and this one is small Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. I've reviewed about this. Go check it out in my channel. This is cute palette and it has different shades in it and the pigmentation is awesome. And this is small single glitter eyeshadow. This is from Wet n Wild and I haven't used it, but yeah, maybe I'll use it for my next video. And yeah, next, this is eyeshadow. This is a single eyeshadow and it is a white one. This is from ADS and I use this for highlighting my inner corner and my brow bone. Yeah, it's a nice one. So yeah, and okay, and this is the glittering palette. You know, I love glitter, so I thought of having a glitter palette, but this glitters are like, no, don't buy this glittering palette because they have glitters only on the top of it. And yeah, don't waste your money on buying it. It's like, no. And yeah, so these are all the eyeshadow palettes I have. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is my cute little eyeshadow palette. I've reviewed about it. Go check it out in my channel. This is the small Swiss Beauty multicolor eyeshadow palette. This is like, and the pigmentation is like wow. Next, yes, this is my Sivana Colors blush and highlighter palette, and in this palette I have all my warm shades, shimmers and mattes, and one highlighter shade and one contour shade. And I have another blusher and highlighter palette. This is from Swiss Beauty. I recently ordered it, and yeah, it has all cool toned shades like pinks and two warm tones, and it has a bronzer, highlighter. Yeah, I recently ordered it from Amazon and I'm currently using this palette a lot, and I'm using this mirror to do my makeups now. And yeah, this is Swiss Beauty blusher, and it has shimmer particles in it, but if you don't want that shimmers on your blush, then don't go for it. But if you want shimmers, you can go for this blush. Yes, and the pigmentation is like wow. And this Swiss Beauty blusher and highlighter palette, I've broken it, so I lost most of the product. And it has one highlighter shade, one or two highlighter shades, and two blusher shades. You can use them as eyeshadows and as a highlighter, as a blush. Yeah, you can use it for multi-purpose, all of them. Like, you can use this palette to create some eye makeups, and yeah, and I use blusher and bronzer shades to create some of my eye makeups. And this is Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator. Like, it is a liquid highlighter. I haven't used it yet, but I've ordered this from Nykaa. So yeah, we'll review about this. And yeah, these are all my blushers and highlighters. And these are my false eyelashes. Yes, I have this one right now. These are good false eyelashes. I've used this for so many times, like 20 to 30 times I've used this one. That is currently on my eyes right now. And yeah, these are from MAC, and I have two Huda Beauty false eyelashes, I think. Let me check. Yeah, this is from from MAC. And yeah, these Huda Beauty false eyelashes, I love them, they are nice. And these are from MAC, but yeah, these are my first ever fake eyelashes, and yeah, they are good. If you are beginner, you can use these MAC eyelashes, or if you don't want that much volume, you can use these Fox lashes. I think these are like wow. I'll include the link in the description, you can check it. I'll include each and every product link in description, so you can check them. And if you don't want that volume, you can use these eyelashes. They look like more natural, and they look like your original lashes. And yeah, these tips for my eye makeup to get that sharp edge, and a small scissor for cutting the excess eyebrows. And this is my lash glue, and this is my first and only lash glue. Yeah, if you once purchased your lash glue, you can use it for I think 100 times. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, when I started my makeup, I ordered this, but it has still product in it. Yeah, this is my only eyelash. What is this? Eyelash glue. And these are my eyelash curlers. Actually, the thing is, I've lost this rubber in it, so when you don't have rubber, you can't press your lashes, so I think it's useless. And I've ordered this. When I ordered this, it came with extra rubber here, so I used that rubber to this lash curler. So now I have two eyelash curlers. And these are my mascaras. These two are from Itex. They are best. And of course Maybelline, they are best eyelashes. What is this? Not eyelashes, mascara, sorry. Yeah, these are Maybelline mascaras. This is Maybelline Hyper Curl. This is for if you want waterproof mascara, you can go with this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. And if you want easy wash, like it is not a waterproof mascara, you can wash it off. So if you don't want waterproof mascara, you can use this easy wash. And what left? Yes, these are my lenses, contact lens, and that is my Aqualens lens solution. I have one pair on my eyes right now, that is brown. And yeah, these are all my eyeliners. This is from Maybelline. Yes, these three are liquid eyeliners. This is from Maybelline, this is from Lakme, and this is not mine, this is my cousin's. When she came here, I think she forgot it. Okay baby, here it is. This is I think Color Girl. These three are liquid eyeliners, and these are all sketch eyeliners. Can you believe this? This sketch eyeliner, this is a waterproof sketch eyeliner. You will get for 30 or something, 30 rupees. Yes, in Amazon. I'll include the link in the description. So I have ordered 3 of them for 100 or something. Yeah, these are sketch eyeliners or pen eyeliners. They are waterproof ones, and this is not a waterproof one. This is also not a waterproof one. I don't know about this. Is this a waterproof liner? I don't know, we'll check it out. So yeah, Maybelline. Again a Maybelline one. And these are my kajal. when I'm going to my school and college, I've used these kajals. These are from iTex. I love this. Comment on if you have these kajals. And yeah, of course, Maybelline. I have 3 Maybelline kajals. And these 3 are black kajals, and I have 1 white kajal. Yes, this is from Miss Claire. And I have 3 glitter eyeliners. These are from Hilary Rhoda, and this is blue, silver, and gold ones. They are also nice. And yeah, this is about my eye makeup. And let's go to the most important part. Yes, you all like it, I know. It's lipsticks. Okay girls, so yeah, you all know this is Dave Beauty best lipsticks, waterproof, non-transfer lipsticks. You can go and watch my review about it. They are like wow. I've used this shade right now, not this one. Which color I've used now? I think this, and I mixed these 2 shades to create my present makeup look, and that lip shade is like wow. If you are looking for affordable liquid matte non-transfer lipsticks, you can definitely go for it. They are like 12 lipsticks you will get for like 500. Yeah, so this is it. And these are all browns, pinks, reds in it. Yeah, purples as well. And what next? These are my random lipsticks. These are Matte Me, my first ever liquid matte lipsticks. They are like my favorite ones. I've used this so much. This is a nude shade, and these 2 are pink shades. I use this pink shade a lot. I love this shade. And this red one, you can use this for traditional ways. And wow, this is the best color. And I have 2 orange shades in it. Honestly, I've used this for 2 to 3 times. I've never created a look with orange lipstick. I regularly use red, pink, or that nude shade. And yeah, these are all my lip liners. These 2 from Swiss Beauty, they are like wow, they are best lip liners. If you are looking for an affordable lip liners. And these are ADS lip and eyeliners. These are like okay. Yeah, and I never created a gorgeous look with it. Maybe I will. Yeah. And next, what next? Yeah, I haven't completed this lipstick part. I have got this from a local store. So this is an orange lipstick. Yep, I have the reason of buying this is like I have seen many YouTube videos. If you don't have orange character, you can use this orange lipstick. So I bought it for that reason. And this is my worst lip gloss. I don't like it. Yes, I never use this. And this is my best liquid, which is in this pink shade, magenta pink. I love this shade. Yes, I love this. Yes, this is the shade. Wow, what a pretty shade, right? Yes, I love this. This is my favorite shade. And yeah, unfortunately you won't get the link of this lipstick because I got it from a local store. And this is a matte lipstick, again I got it from a local store. And yeah, this is a nice one. But once you start using these liquid matte lipsticks, you won't go for these normal lipsticks, like transfer proof kind of lipsticks. I mean, I don't like these kind of lipsticks. I like liquid matte lipsticks. And yeah, these are my lip liners. This is the small cute lip liner, sorry, lip balms. This is a small cute lip balm, and this is Himalaya lip balm, I think you all know. And my most favorite lip balm, Biotic. And yeah, this is another strawberry lip balm. Yes, these are all my lip balms here. And these are all my face makeup stuff. Yes, these are all my compacts. I have Lotus compact. I think I broke it, so that's why I'm not using it. And yeah, you know, I used plaster to that's why I used plaster. I broke it. But if you watch my past videos, like 1 year back videos, you will see this lotus what compact powder. You know, I'm bad at remembering the names. Yes, so this one, unfortunately I can't use this one, so I'm not using it currently. And this is an ADS compact powder, green tea compact powder, best. And Lakme best, Maybelline awesome, of course. And this is the only finishing powder or translucent powder I have, and I recently ordered this and I'm loving this. Today I used this to create my makeup look. And no, this. And this is my concealer and highlighter contour palette, but I only use this shade, you know. You can see the base here. I used that much. I don't like this contour shade, but I use this concealer shade. It's like wow. And I use some of these shades to color correct my color correct my face. And I use this palette to cover all my dark spots, dark circles and black spots. And yeah, I use it a lot. And this is my another favorite Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. Yes, and this is Lotus liquid concealer. This is my first ever concealer, you know. And this is Swiss Beauty stick concealer, and this I used a lot, like in my previous videos, like in my past videos I used it. And these two are from Lakme 925 CC creams. And this is my most favorite and my first ever foundation. This is my first ever foundation, that is MAC. And you know what, I have only two foundations, MAC and Maybelline. And yeah, this Maybelline, it's like wow. And I've done a video by comparing these two foundations, go and check it out. And these are all my fake nails. You know, you will get 20 fake nails for 10 rupees, I think. Yeah, I got it from the local store. And these okay, we are going to skincare part. Let's start with face wash. Those are all my skincare, hair care products. And this is my Himalaya face wash. Yes, it is Katham, like it is ending, there is no product. Yes, the product is this much. So I've ordered this, you all know I've ordered it from Amazon. This is Himalaya neem face wash, my brand new one. And this is Himalaya face pack, face wash, scrub and pack. Yes, they are best. And yeah, these are small sachets. Yes, I haven't used it yet, but this Biotic Bio Papaya lip face scrub, yes, maybe I'll use it and I'll share my review about it. And this is Biotic Biofruit face pack, and this is Everyuth Naturals scrub. This is the best scrub, and this is VLCC Ayurveda, what is it, aloe vera gel. Yes, I don't like the smell, like the smell is like and this is green leaf aloe vera gel. I use this aloe vera gels while I shave my face. Yes, I love this green leaf. And these are all the face pack stuffs. And wow, charcoal peel off mask. This is one of the best peel off masks. And oh my god, I have to stand up. Okay, no problem. Then these are my toners. I have this Good Vibes toner and this Dabur Gulabari Rose Water toner, and I have FS serum, Good Vibes serum, and these are my moisturizers: Biotic moisturizer, Nivea moisturizer, Pond's Nivea cream, Vaseline, and some random moisturizers, and underarm roll-on. And this is my one and only primer. Yes, I have only one primer, that is Blue Heaven. I love it. And only one makeup setting spray. This is Makeup Fix Up from Blue Heaven. And these are my hair products. This is my favorite and most of the girls favorite Livon serum. And this is Shake and Spray, like this is a serum spray and this is a serum. So next, you all know I use this Parachute Ayurvedic hair oil, my shampoo, my conditioners, and yes, these are Garnier cleansing waters. Yes, if you want to remove your makeup, you have to use these cleansing waters. Yes, this is my cleansing water. This is for waterproof makeups, and this is for non-waterproof makeups. And if you want to remove waterproof makeups, you have to use this oil infused. And you know what, if you want to remove these lipsticks, you have to use this. Oh my god, I'm hungry right now. And these are my nail accessories. No, these are not accessories, these are tools. Yes, nail cutter, you all know. And these are my razors to shave my facial hair. And this is my pedicure tool. And this is a small scissors again to cut the excess eyebrows, to cut your eyebrows, not your eyebrows, to cut my eyebrows. And this is a nail shaper. And they are my makeup brushes. That is a set affordable makeup brushes. I have made a video about it, but it is in Telugu. If you want, you can go check it. These are my brushes. These are my another set of brushes. And this is my concealer or blending. I sometimes use it for blending my eyeshadows, and I sometimes use it for highlighting my face. Yeah, I use it a lot. And today I use this brush, this concealer brush, to set my face. Yes, to set my face with this Blue Heaven powder. Yeah, this is from Real Techniques. Yes, this is a Real Technique blending brush. And this is another Electromania or something. Yeah, I don't have company name, but I remember it is an Electromania blending brush. You have that fluffy blending brush. Oh my god, look at it, my product. Okay, you have this fluffy blending brush one side, and you have this flat eyeshadow brush another side. And in this set you will get all eyeshadow brushes, face brushes. You have foundation brush, highlighter brush, blush brush, powder brush, contour brush, eyeshadow brushes, eyebrow brushes, whatnot. You will get everything if you have this. And yeah, these are all my beauty blenders. Yeah, I love this kind of shapes, but this is my first ever beauty blender. When I first use my beauty blender, I don't even know that we have to use a damn beauty blender, and I use it like this as it is. you know, but you have to use a damn beauty blender. Yes, this is my best beauty blender, black one. And Huda Beauty, I never tried this. And these are all my nail paints. Yes, and some of you are asking about my current nail paint. Yes, this is in green or blue shade. This is from Itex Dazzler, baby. Focus please. Yes, this is an Itex Dazzler one. And I have these Nail Trends, Alka, and these are my, what is that, nail polish removers, and cotton, and some tissues, wet wipes, and earbuds. Yes, you know, I use earbuds to clear my eyes when I use this lens. This is my stuff. These are my makeup and skincare products. Now I have to, this is my makeup collection, and you know what, now I have to shift it to my dressing table. I hope you all enjoyed watching this. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down what kind of videos you want to see in my next video, and comment down about my collection. And yeah, comment on which products you are using for makeup and skincare, and comment me what kind of looks you want to see in my next video. I'll try creating every look. And yeah, that's it for today's video. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.